Good afternoon. It's July 7th. I hope you all had a good 4th of July holiday. I want, this is something that I tell all my clients, all my potential clients, all my friends, and I want to say it again. It bears repeating. In this world, the make or break, the win or lose aspect of a lawsuit is whether you've preserved your evidence, whether you have gathered the evidence that you need, that is in your control to gather before you go forward with your lawsuit. Once you get into the lawsuit, there is a right of discovery. You can ask the other side for evidence or documents, but a lot of times you don't get it, or you get it late, or what you see has been altered or tampered with. You cannot necessarily trust, no, well, as a matter of fact, not necessarily, you cannot trust a major corporate defendant or an insurance company with your evidence. You have to gather the evidence. And I want to show you a little case in chief about this particular point, this particular principle. One of my clients went to a McDonald's and he ordered an orange juice and he was in a hurry. And so he basically takes the cap off the orange juice and he swigs it down, and the plastic dispenser nozzle from the orange juice machine was actually stuck in the orange juice cup, and it got lodged in his throat, and he actually got a very serious injury in his throat because this nozzle went down his throat. Fortunately, so they managed to get it out. I don't know how serious the injury is going to be, but he's still seeing a doctor about it. This happened some months ago. But he was my client before. He had worked with me before, and he knew the value of preserving the evidence. He immediately gave me the cup with the plastic nozzle in the orange juice that was still in the cup, and he immediately brought it to me right away because he knew the value of preserving the evidence. And I want to show it to you. Here it is. Now, at this particular moment in time, this orange juice has been sitting in our evidence locker for a long time. I wouldn't drink it. It hasn't started smelling yet, but frankly, I don't want to smell it. I don't want to hold it any longer than I have to. But if you see in there, you'll see the plastic nozzle is right in there. The plastic nozzle that basically is the key piece of evidence in his case. We've got it. We've got control of it. He preserved his evidence. He listened to me, and he preserved his evidence and made sure that his case was going to have the evidence necessary to go forward. This is so important, I cannot stress it enough. And let me just give you a few other examples. Many of you have cell phones with picture cameras right now. If this is a situation where there's a dangerous condition that's causing a trip and fall, if there's a car accident and there's any question about the car or the intersection or anything like that, take out your cell phone and take a picture. Anything involving documents, if you get, like for instance in our credit reporting cases, we get a lot of people have correspondence with the credit bureaus or with the creditors. In the identity theft cases, their police reports, anything that's a document like that, hold on to it, don't shred it. That document becomes solid gold if you go into litigation. Preserving your evidence is absolutely the key, unquestionably the key, to winning your case and to getting a good result in your case. If you don't preserve the evidence, you're going to be in trouble, and it's going to be a lot harder to prove your case. You're going to make us work harder, and you're not going to get the same kind of result. So remember, for you and for all your friends, preserve your evidence. Before you go see your lawyer, make sure you get all your evidence. Don't throw anything away. As soon as you have any sense that you may be headed into any kind of lawsuit type situation, preserve your evidence. Keep a hold of it. It will definitely help you as the case goes forward. Anyway, thank you very much. I wanted to stress this point. It's extremely important. Hope you're having a good summer, and we'll talk again soon.